Because it's one of the most powerful exploit frameworks and it has a free version with wide functionality, we're going to use Metasploit throughout the course. Metasploit Project is the most used penetration testing framework in the world. It can be used to test the vulnerability of computer systems or to break into remote systems. As I mentioned before, Metasploit was created by H.D. Moore in 2003 using Perl. By 2007, the Metasploit framework had been completely rewritten in Ruby. In 2009, the project was acquired by Rapid7. Now they have a free and open source version, Metasploit Framework, and a commercial version, Metasploit Pro. Its best-known sub-project is the open source Metasploit Framework, a tool for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. The MSF console is probably the most popular interface to the Metasploit Framework, MSF. It provides an all-in-one centralized console and allows you efficient access to virtually all of the options available in MSF. MSF console may seem intimidating at first, but once you learn the syntax of the commands, you'll learn to appreciate the power of utilizing this interface.